Strelioff System Designs, model DC1 dual channel amplifier 200/200. It's got a 20-foot power cord. And so it's got some fuses back here, 8 ampere, MDA slow blow, caution, disconnect output for the left module and for the right module, and an AC line, 8 ampere, MDA slow blow for the AC input on both left and right modules. You may have noticed on the front of this unit there is a fuse holder, well, a fuse receptacle that's open. It does not have this portion in it here. So I need to go ahead and get this thing open and take a look inside and just see if I can do anything with this. I can't find any service information on this unit. If anyone has anything, please email me, leave me a comment. And yeah, if I can get a schematic on this, this would be great. Maybe there's nothing else wrong but that missing fuse holder in the front. I did some preliminary looking through the side of this unit, and it looks like it has 8 output transistors per channel with no numbers on any of them. So in a attempt to be elusive, the manufacturer ordered transistors or had them custom made with no part numbers on them whatsoever. So let's go ahead and get the front or the top, whatever you want to call it, off of this unit, look inside and see what it looks like. Now to me it looks like this cover, it might be kind of hard to see. I'll try to shoot a cell phone video on this. It's slit right there. I can catch my fingernail on it. As far as I can tell, the rest of this unit is one complete piece. So it looks like this whole skin lifts off of the unit. Let me get a cell phone and shoot a multi-angle video. One moment, please. Okay, so there's the back of the unit with the cell phone. You can see it discusses the 3.5 ohms minimum and 32 ohms maximum. So it looks like it wants a load on this unit at all times. In my 2.2 seconds of Google searching, it looks like this might be a Class A amplifier. Although being a Class A amplifier, I do not expect 55 watts at idle, 1400 watts maximum. I would expect a much higher idle current. Let's flip this thing over and take a look at the front of it. All right, so there is the front view. Strelioff System Designs, model DC1 dual channel amplifier 200/200. And as you can see, or as you did see from the previous intro, it is missing one of the fuse. I would call it the receptacle or the holder maybe. I'll have to try to find one of those. Maybe that's the whole problem with this unit. But let me go ahead and try to turn this thing around sideways. And then we'll look through here, and obviously it will not focus. There we go. There are no numbers on the 8 output transistors on this channel whatsoever. Sneaky. Let's turn this around. One moment. So here is looking at the other channel. And there are the 4 outputs on the one side, and they have a V, upside down inverted V. No, not the inverted V antenna, but just a V. I'm not sure what that means. Anyhow, like I said, seamless top. So it looks like all of these screws have to come out, and then it looks like the whole case slides out, or the guts slide out this way. Anyhow, one moment, we'll get into this and see what it looks like inside. Well, okay, I got the cover off of this unit. Look at the size of that power transformer. Yeah, 55 watts at idle? I don't think so. That thing's going to draw way more than that. But look what I see right here. I don't think there's supposed to be loose wires just laying around. Let me turn the light on here. And I think it goes to the other side of that fuse holder. And yeah, that is the one that is missing the receptacle portion of it. I think that probably goes there if I had to guess. But yeah, just taking a look around in this thing. Pretty good construction, I would say. Haven't even looked at the other side yet. I just got to here. And I'm like, whoa, hold your horses. Okay, let's go ahead and flip this thing over and actually take a look at the other side of the unit. All right, well, that is not what I was expecting to see in the least. Check out these big filter caps, 39,000 microfarads, 75 volts. This must be the speaker relay contact, possibly, or maybe the AC input. Potter Brumfield, that's good quality relay at least. Look at that. Might have been out of shot when I was closing the contacts. Where's all the low level? It must be hiding back in here somewhere. But anyhow, there are those output transistors that are not labeled at all. So hopefully they are not shorted. But yeah, very interesting design. 39,000 microfarads, 75 volts. Two of those babies. Those things are freaking huge. Look at that. They take up the whole amplifier. They probably could have made it smaller if they used 4 instead of 2 capacitors. But once again, over here on this side, we got the same thing. Just the inverted V on those and no data on those whatsoever. Maybe we'll get lucky on this thing. Maybe, maybe, maybe. It's better to be lucky than good. All right, well, let's see if this is going to cooperate and release the fuse holder amicably. Oh, something's happening. Come on, baby, you can do it. There we go. Yes. So I need to find an insert for this fuse holder. Oh, look at that. It is a little fuse holder rated at 15 amps. 250 volts. Is there a part number on this unit? Well, there is a patent number, so that should get me somewhere. Top, okay, helpful. Not seeing an actual part number, but I need to find a replacement fuse holder to begin with and then get it reconnected. And maybe that's all that's wrong with it. So probably going to have to order this. I know I don't have any square receptacle fuse holders. Well, let me do some research and see what I can come up with. Maybe this will be a multi-part video. Maybe it'll be easy to find. I can go down to my local AutoZone or O'Reilly and they'll have them in stock because we don't have any electronic stores in America anymore. Okay, well, as you can see from the data sheet right there, I did manage to find an original Little Fuse data sheet on this unit. I did manage to find one on eBay with free shipping for only $8. I ordered 2 of them, well, $7.59. I always like to get a spare just in case. So we'll return to this once the part does arrive. Everyone, thank you for watching. Hopefully this will take care of it, and that is the only problem with this unit. We'll have to move forward once the fuse holder arrives and I actually apply power to this unit. Everyone, thank you for watching. Everyone have a great day. Bye-bye.